resident, Abuja resident stop truck carrying food items, loot bags of rice and others for resident of Abuja. Na him happen kururu gbagaga. Trailer wey carry food item just take the waka dey go unknown destination because of the level of hunger no kpai me akpai hunger. Na the resident dem burst out say, who goes you? Wait for there. I move you. They block trailer, scatter the rice, then they carry akawu. Everybody they go in house now. So with the food, everything where the trailer carry, now everybody they gbab. As the palliative don't show now, they carry am. As we they talk so, trailer don't empty.
Bless say the way they smile, they talk this.
Bless follow carry rice.
Bless say you carry rice.
Bless follow.
Ade Abuja.
You know you like help person follow carry rice. Why they happy?
No, be say they happy. They talk
say
as
palliative don't full everywhere.
But when I happy oh, I don't happy. But you know I not happy.
Why?
Because that's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. Even if you want to do this kind of thing, you get people say if the something happen, one politician I get that bag of rice. I ain't get this bag of rice. I go happy. But even I say an individual, maybe one businessman, you know, really they go because I know like you. The rate of which hunger did is period.
Hunger did. You know what it takes that resident now them just now them just waka.
When you know say you don't read. I see the video now.
Trailer where they waka they pull left for am. Stop am.
Should them go boss one warehouse, palliative house again.
Okay.
Where they store food for I think for COVID-19 period, I mean they store food.
Yes,
then go boss up. That was last week. The news come out. Now today again, yesterday again, another one happened.
When the government for see where this is going.
The rate of they go now.
Very soon now, agu.
Okay, can I just want you guys to land before I
accelerate.
No, not accelerate. No, you know they use English for me.
Before
I galantwant. On a serious note, hungry day. Serious note. English. Hungry day. Do you know? My sister called me yesterday. One stay in the village, Obiaroko village. You know what she tell me? She say, for village, they say like derica of rice. There's nothing like derica of rice. They don't know anything called like derica of rice. It's milk cup. That is pangolo milk cup.
Or tomato cup.
1 cup. She said 800 naira. 800 naira for 1 cup of derica, 1 cup of milk cup for Kwale.
Get one this year.
So how many milk cup for 1 derica? 1 derica 4. Like 4 or like say 5. 8 times 5. If you not get like 3 pa, you no go fit cook 1 derica of rice. When she tell me this word, I did not say, when last you eat rice?
The way the hunger they be now,
people they suffer.
They expect more than this, so
people they suffer.
Now this one, now residents stop truck.
People they suffer.
They stop filling station to drink fuel.
Even the rich now self gone. The rich they call the poor. How until they survive before?
Because you don't
lie, because you don't touch everybody.
The rich they call the poor now. Say, Baba, I beg you not teach me. They could teach me how to manage.
Oh, now how they chop rice with crayfish that means because he don't do to meat and turkey. So now others concussion rice. How they chop concussion rice that. Baba, I don't read.
It is well. The next one says.